I'm getting drunk.
What?
Did
you just murder me and everyone at holy hell?
I literally said it was you as well.
No. I'm out of here. Goodbye. Wait, we gotta go get Chip. I just left Chip. God's sake, stay there. I'll get Chip. Chippy! Oh, you're okay, you're there.
You're literally gonna try it. You are literally going to try it.
I have a picture if you want to see it.
Chip,
What do you mean?
when you learn these words, Edward looks so... Edward's blushing, guys. Edward's blushing. Aww. I performed Session Lex on you.
That's how. Think about boys. Think about boys. Wait. Abby, what are you trying to do? Guys, I died.
Oh, it's my time.
What? What do you mean?
No!
What? Take over! Take over! Take over!
I hate you so much, Chip.
Why? I didn't actually need to actually get you killed. I didn't mean to.
Yes, you did.
Nuh-uh.
Why are you smiling then?
Cause it's funny. Chippy! Chippy! Oh,
Well, do you want a new spine? I sell spines.
I don't think that's our type of spine.
Yeah, it is. It's a spine for everybody.
Chip. Chippy?
Bombakar man, what?
What?
What did I do? You literally suffer from autism stage 5. Shut up.
Did you say autism?
It's autism actually, you
Yeah.
fucking cunt.
What's your language?
Women.
Okay, you're ugly mug.
Oh!
What's wrong with you?
You have puppets for hands! What's wrong with you?
Here. Don't be shy, get in there deep! After all, no one likes their Abby underwhelming. Underperforming, it only happened once. Then of course, you have to work with the toe with your sock puppet. Give it a good